Hello guys, welcome to another series of our YouTube tutorials. Okay, so this is my WordPress website. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how to migrate a WordPress website from one domain to another, or you probably want to stop using your website for a while and you want to back it up and you don't mind getting another domain, or you just want to keep your domain but you want to keep your website offline for a while. So I'll take you through the step-by-step procedure on how you can make this possible. Okay, so this is the plugin, all-in-one WP migration plugin. This plugin is very essential and it has been very useful, though it has the free version and it has the paid version. The free version works very well, but in situations where your files are very heavy, it will require the premium version, and in cases where you need to download your backup through your cPanel and restore it, it will require the premium version. Okay, so let's go into the tutorials properly. So this is my WordPress dashboard. Let me go to my WordPress dashboard. In my WordPress dashboard, I'll go to plugins. Okay, let me click on install plugins. Then next I'll go to add plugin. Let me dismiss this. Then here I'll come to the search box and search for this plugin, all-in-one WP and backup. Let me just copy and paste. This is the plugin we are looking for. Note the logo of the plugin because there are lots of backup and restored plugin, but this one proved to be more effective over the years and I've tried it. So this is the plugin here. Let me scroll up so that you see it properly. This is the all-in-one WP migration plugin. Okay, all-in-one WP migration and backup. So you click the install button. You have to be patient and allow it to install. Okay, so now you click activate. Alright, so now you've activated this plugin. Okay, now you scroll down a bit. This is the plugin here at the sidebar. You can see export, import, backup. Okay, so if you want to export this entire website right now, you click export. You can see export site to. Okay, so now they give you different options. You can export your files, your entire WordPress website files to as normal file, which is to your laptop or your whatever storage platform you are using in your PC. This is Google Drive, which is an online storage, FTP, Dropbox, just like that, so on and so forth. There are a whole lot. That's to tell you how effective this plugin is. Okay, for me, I'm using file. Okay, now it's preparing to export. This plugin exports everything about your website. It's so amazing. Honestly, I've been using this plugin for a very long time and it's effective. Okay, you can see 80% database exported very fast. Very fast. Now if I want to download it, I'll download it to my PC. Okay, so let me take it to download. I'll save it. Keep. Okay, it's downloading. It will take some time to download, but let me exit it. I don't want to download any of this backup. Okay, so after downloading it, if you want to restore, let's say you installed your WordPress website, even if it's another domain or even if it's same domain, and you want exact this same website, your exact same website, the interface, everything, the plugin, everything you have on the website, you want it back. It's very easy for you to get it via this plugin. Okay, so all you have to do is you come here to import. Okay, import from. So you can see the same the same storage platform which you exported to is the same you can easily import from. If it's file, you click on file, you will see it takes me to my, if I have downloaded it, it would have probably show up here, but I did not download it, so I'll exit it. So once you click on the particular file, it will automatically restore your entire website. Okay, again, this is the plugin, all-in-one WP migration plugin. It's a useful plugin. So if you find this tutorial useful or you have questions, please leave it in our comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and please do share with your friends. Thanks for your time.